Everybody wants to look into the mirror and feel a little better now. And everybody wants to know there's someone out there waiting for you to come around. And I wish that you could feel it, but you don't choose to believe it. 'Cause I know that you can't see it that way, that way. If you could only just stop running. If you could only take a second to breathe it in. Everything that you know would be beautiful, like you.